Okay guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will presentate for my final exam of public speaking. The topic was free socializing. The sub the sub main the sub main idea is the key, the personal and social growth by Muhammad Masena. Okay, for the introduction, to highlight of free socializing and in personal development and societal cohesion. And there is a quote the the trusted source is the said human beings are social creatures. The feeling of being connected is a vital aspect of the human life. Okay, for number one, chapter one is what the impact of a free socializing is. Today I will talk about a personal development. There is a two section. In the first one I will talk about the personal development, and for the first number one is a skill building. For the engaging in social interaction helps individual develop essential skill communication, empathy and conflict resolution. And number two, the confidence boost. Regularity socializing can enhance self-esteem and confidence as individuals learn to express themselves and navigate different scenarios. And for the next, the number three is for the emotional support, friendships, and social networks from provide emotional support and a sense of a belonging from anyone or many people and are vital for a mental well-being. And for the number four, I will talk about diverse perspective. This is a talk about socializing with people from varied backgrounds, broadens one understanding different viewpoints, and a critical thinking. And for the next is the societal cohesions. What is the social cohesions? And there's a tip for societal cohesions. For the number one is community building. This is a really need to make a free socializing is to make a more fun. Community building is like a free socializing help build stranger communities ties, creating a sense of unity and collective identity among individuals. And the next is the conflict resolution. Increased social interaction can reduce main understanding or misunderstanding and conflicts by promoting dialogue and mutual understanding. And for the third is a social integration. What is the social integration? Social integration is a talking about encouraging free socialization helps integrate diverse group into the broader society, promoting promoting inclusivity and reducing social barriers. And for the number four is a civic engagement. What is the civic engagement? Is like to say socially connected individuals are more likely to participate in community activities and civic duties for the contributing are more engaged and activate society. The next chapter is definition of a free socializing. And for the number one is explanation of free socializing. Free socializing is ability of individual to interact and communicate with other without being limited by societal or institutional constraint. This concept is emphasized has a 3 points. And for the number one is unrestricted interaction. Unrestricted interaction is individual can engage with other based on their personal preference and interests rather than adhering to predetermined social norms or rules. For the number two is a personal freedom. and people have the liberty to express themselves, share their thought and build relationship feels natural to them without the inference from social expectation or institutional regret. And for the number three is equal opportunity. Everyone has the chance to participate in social activities from the connection and form connection from the background or social status. The number two is important importance of spontaneity and authenticity in social interaction. For the first point is a natural flow. What is the natural flow? Is spontaneous interaction feel more genuine and less rehearsed, leading to more engaging and dynamic conversations. And the number two is creativity. It allows or it will follows for creative and unpredictable exchange that can lead to the new ideas and solutions. And number three is the connection. Spontaneous interaction uh, can help break down barriers and build stronger, more immediate connection have connected between the individuals. For the chapter 3, we can talk about the benefits of a free socializing. The free socializing is have and more benefit, just like the first point is the personal growth, enhance the communication skill or improve your communication skill, your self-confidence, and emotional. For the number two, it will be impact to your mental health is like to reduce your stress, combats loneliness, and promote a sense of belonging from yourself. For the number three is community building, and this is a fosters inclusivity, understanding, and cooperation among the community. Okay, the next chapter, number four, free socializing and technology. And the first point from the chapter number four is connectivity and communication. From the global reach, like on social media is like on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and WhatsApp. People to connect across the globe, breaking the geographical barriers and make a more relationship with another people in other world or other countries. For the next is instant communication. Messaging apps like such like a WhatsApp, Messenger, and a Telegram or Snapchat is facilitate real-time communication, make it easy to stay in touch with the family or friends. And for the point number two is the important to face-to-face communication. This is a really important because it has a two main point. For the first one is nonverbal cues. In-person interaction provide access to nonverbal communication such as body language, face emotion, and your voice, which is a crucial understand and empathy. And the second is building a trust. This is not an easy for another people to make other trust to other people it because human are have a many or various character. Building trust like to face communication often help build a stronger, most trustful relationship due to personal the connection and direct interaction. And the next chapter number 5 is a challenge to free socializing. For the socializing is have many challenges to do it, and I will talk about three biggest challenge if you will do free socializing. The first one is prejudice. What is the prejudice? The prejudice is preconceived opinions or attitude about a person or a group that are not based on reason or actual experience. Often leading to unfair treatment. And for the next is a discrimination. Discrimination, or we call it unjust on prejudicial treatment to different categories people, especially of the ground of a race, age, or a sex. And for the next is social anxiety. A social anxiety is a chronic mental health condition which is social interaction cause irrational anxiety, fear, mania of fear, and self-consciousness and embracement. And for the next point is the technological barriers. The technological barrier has two main point, and the first one is lack of the safe public or public space. This is the absence of the area where the people can safely gather and interact, which can limit the social engagement and the community building. And the number two is accessibility issues, and public space are not designed to be accessible to all, including those with the disabilities can prevent a certain group from the participating in social activities. The next is the chapter 6. The title is Strategies or for Free Socializing. The main point, the number one, is the creating inclusive public space. There is a universal design, safety and comfort, diverse amenities, and community development. For the universal design, incorporating features that make a space for another people with a disability. For the second, safety and comfort is make ensuring a space are safe for many people, well it comfortable and for everyone. For everyone can feel it. And the next is diverse amenities. Is providing like including some facilities the cater to various activities and needs such as a playground, setting areas, and the restroom. And for the next, in community involvement, engaging local community planning and design process to ensure the space their need a preference. And for the next, the number two is encouraging community event and activities. There is a regular event, collaboration, inclusive programming, and public space utilizations. And for the regular events, organizing regular activities such as many people, collaboration, partnering with organization, business, or many. Inclusive programming, ensuring the people cater a diverse. For the public space utilization is utilizing a park, square, and centers as venue for events. For the number three is promoting open mind and acceptance. What is that? And there is a four main point in the number three. The number one is education and awareness, conducting a workshop, seminar, and campaign to educate people that about diversity and inclusions. For the second, the number two is cultural exchange, encouraging interaction and exchange between different cultural and social groups. And for the number three is a role model. You can talk about the highlighting and celebrating individuals and group who exemplify open-minded and acceptance. And for the number four is the media communication, using a various media platform to spread positive message and stories to another people using a diversity and inclusions. And for the last, and it will talk about the conclusion of a summary, the key point. For the conclusion is talking about a free socializing plays a crucial role in a personal development, mental health, and community cohesions. And the promoting and engage in unrestricted social interaction can lead to more connected, understanding and inclusivity society. And for the supporting detail and summary key points is number one is the personal growth and changing your communication skill, your self-confidence, and development emotional intelligence. For the number two is mental health. Like it's mental health is reducing your stress, combating loneliness, reduce your anxiety, and promoting overall well-being. The next is number three is the community building. It's like a fostering inclusivity, understanding, and social cohesions. The number four is a technology balancing of the use digital platform with the face-to-face interaction. The number five is a challenge, is addressing a social, environmental, and technological barriers. The number six is a strategy to creating inclusive space, organizing community, and some promoting acceptance. Yeah, okay. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.